Chief of Police Issa Shahin here.
Abazeed, Director of Public Health.
Today we're out here at Carlisle and Catherine, where we've installed one of our new radar speed limit signs. This sign will not only tell you the speed limit, but will also let the driver know how fast they're going. We're encouraged by the early data that shows that it slows cars down.
This effort is one part of our traffic calming initiatives across the city of Dearborn, made possible by a grant that the Department of Public Health received, working collaboratively with the police department on making sure that speeding and reckless driving across the city of Dearborn is taken care of. This is a health issue, this is a public health issue, and we're working collaboratively across departments to make sure that we're doing everything possible to make the roads safer.
So not only does it tell you the speed that you're traveling, but we've installed 60 of these across the city. We're also able to monitor the speeds through the cloud. And so we know if they're working or where cars may still be speeding, then we can more efficiently deploy our resources and police officers to take traffic enforcement efforts. So not only does it tell you the speed in the moment, but we're able to collect all that data across the city as well. So we look at that data from across the city and then we deploy police officers to do more targeted traffic enforcement where we have people that are still speeding. So in addition to these speed radar signs, we've also been able to acquire 300 speed humps and over 100 illuminated signs, and all that's been made possible through the grant, right?
And we have a first ever roundabout coming to the city of Dearborn as a result of this collaboration. So as a city, we take a health in all policies approach, which means that we work collaboratively across departments to make sure that all Dearborn residents are living healthy and safe lives. And so this is a part of the mayor's approach to making sure that we leave no stone unturned. And speeding and reckless driving is an issue amongst many different departments, but it's also a health issue. And so we're working collaboratively to make sure that we're solving that problem on behalf of our residents.
I mean, the reality is the #1 leading cause of death among young adults is crashes and injuries, and so it's going to make us a safer community. And I want Dearborn to understand, we're not just putting in signs and assuming that we solved the problem. It's just one component to an overall comprehensive package of initiatives across the city to get improve our traffic safety and improve our roads. You know, the city has a three-pronged approach when it comes to improving traffic safety: enforcement, which is really my bag, and then education and engineering. And so that's what we've worked with the Department of Public Health on. And so this, as you see here, these radar signs is part of that engineering component, along with the roundabout, the redesign of some of our roads, and then obviously an education component too, where the Department of Public Health and the police department work hand in hand when it comes to educating our young drivers and actually all drivers about the dangers of reckless driving.
These are all data-informed decisions, but ultimately we need your support and collaboration. Slow down on the roads, make these streets safer for all Dearborn residents.